Hello and welcome to this exciting video on nanorobots. In today's video, we will discuss the revolutionary technology that could potentially change the way we live our lives. Nanorobots, as the name suggests, are tiny robots that are smaller than a human cell. These robots have the potential to revolutionize fields such as medicine, electronics, and engineering. In this video, we will take a closer look at nanorobots, their applications, and their impact on our future. What are nanorobots? Nanorobots are miniature robots that are smaller than a human cell. These tiny machines are typically measured in nanometers, which is 1/1000th of a meter. The design of nanorobots is inspired by the way our cells function. The robots consist of various components, including sensors, actuators, and onboard computers. These components work together to perform specific tasks. Nanorobots can be controlled using various methods, including magnetic fields, chemical signals, and light. One of the most remarkable features of nanorobots is their size. Their small size allows them to travel through the body's bloodstream, penetrate cell walls, and interact with individual molecules. This capability makes them an excellent tool for the medical industry. Nanorobots can deliver drugs directly to the affected cells, repair damaged tissues, and perform surgical procedures with extreme precision. Applications of nanorobots in medicine. The medical industry is one of the most promising fields for nanorobots. Nanorobots can perform a range of tasks, from delivering drugs to removing tumors. One of the most significant advantages of nanorobots is their ability to deliver drugs directly to the affected cells. This targeted drug delivery approach reduces the amount of medication needed and minimizes the side effects associated with traditional drug delivery methods. Nanorobots can also perform surgical procedures with extreme precision. For example, they can remove cancerous tumors without damaging healthy tissues. This capability reduces the risk of complications and improves the patient's recovery time. Another application of nanorobots in medicine is tissue engineering. Nanorobots can be used to repair damaged tissues by delivering the necessary materials directly to the affected area. This approach can potentially eliminate the need for organ transplants in the future. Nanorobots can also be used to monitor the body's internal environment. These tiny machines can detect the presence of harmful substances in the bloodstream, such as cancer cells or viruses, and trigger an immune response to fight the infection. This ability to detect and respond to changes in the body's internal environment could potentially prevent diseases before they even occur. Applications of nanorobots in electronics. Nanorobots also have significant applications in the electronics industry. The miniaturization of electronic devices has been a trend for several years, and nanorobots could take it to the next level. Nanorobots can be used to create tiny electronic circuits that are smaller and more efficient than current technology. Nanorobots can also be used to repair damaged electronic devices. For example, they can be used to repair a cracked smartphone screen by filling in the cracks with tiny particles. This approach is much more cost-effective than replacing the entire screen. Another application of nanorobots in electronics is data storage. Nanorobots can be used to store data in individual molecules, allowing for much higher data density than current technology. Finally, nanorobots can be used to create self-assembling electronics. These tiny machines can be programmed to assemble themselves into a specific shape, allowing for the creation of complex electronic devices without human intervention. Future impact of nanorobots. The potential impact of nanorobots on our future is significant. In medicine, nanorobots could potentially cure diseases that are currently considered incurable. For example, nanorobots could be used to deliver gene therapy directly to the affected cells, providing a permanent cure for genetic diseases. Nanorobots could also be used to prevent the spread of infectious diseases by detecting and destroying the pathogens before they have a chance to infect other people. In the electronics industry, nanorobots could lead to the creation of entirely new types of devices. For example, nanorobots could be used to create flexible electronics that can be folded or stretched without breaking. These devices could potentially be used in wearable technology, allowing for more comfortable and convenient devices. The development of nanorobots could also have a significant impact on the environment. Nanorobots could be used to clean up pollutants in the air and water. For example, nanorobots could be programmed to remove harmful chemicals from the water supply or to capture and remove pollutants from the air. There are also potential risks associated with the development of nanorobots. For example, if nanorobots are not properly programmed, they could cause harm to healthy cells or tissues. Additionally, if nanorobots are released into the environment without proper controls, they could have unintended consequences. In conclusion, nanorobots are an exciting and revolutionary technology with significant potential in the fields of medicine, electronics, and engineering. The miniaturization of technology has been a trend for several years, and nanorobots could take it to the next level. Nanorobots can be used to deliver targeted drug therapies, perform surgical procedures with extreme precision, repair damaged tissues, and create new types of electronic devices. However, the development of nanorobots also poses potential risks that must be carefully considered and managed. With proper controls, nanorobots have the potential to transform our lives and solve some of the most significant challenges facing our society. Thank you for watching this video on nanorobots. We hope that you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Nanorobots represent a fascinating and rapidly evolving field, and it will be exciting to see how this technology develops in the future. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with nanorobots, it is crucial that we also consider the potential risks and ethical implications of this technology. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on exciting and cutting-edge technologies like nanorobots. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.